create packages. I mentioned hot tubs earlier, and for anybody that's got a hot tub and is in charge of cleaning them yourselves, you know how much of a pain in the ass they are. But all you have to do is look at the local trends on Google, and you will see, especially when it comes to the fall, especially when it comes to the winter, instantly the Google search term of accommodation in, or cottages in, or properties in, insert your town or county with hot tub, shoots for the roof. Now, I'm not saying that if you haven't got a hot tub, you go out and buy a hot tub and start doing all the things. If you really don't want to get involved with the cleaning and all that aspect of them, look at local companies that you can actually partner up with, and you can rent hot tubs or start to put a price package together to rent a hot tub from them, where they still take care of all the insurance, they still care of all the cleaning, the putting up, putting down, etc. But you're creating a little partnership with them. So let's just say, just for literally keep it simple sake, it's £100 for 3 nights to rent it from said company, okay? And your base rate of your property, and I'm just going to use the example of rental accommodation, is £100 a night, and you do a minimum stay of say 3 nights. What you will do is you will incorporate the price of the hot tub into your stay, and you will create what's otherwise known as a package. Hotels do this, loads of people do this, it's very effective. You can actually go a step up. So you could have a 2-star package. 1-star package is your accommodation, 2-star package is accommodation and hot tub, 3-star package is accommodation, hot tub, private chef. Again, find any chefs that are looking for work. I know the hospitality industry has been absolutely ravaged and there's a massive staff shortage, but you may find that there are freelancer chefs that have got a good reputation in the area that aren't looking to technically go and work all of the hours in a restaurant or a pub, etc. this winter, but they would be up for partnering up with you to offering a personal chef experience for your guests. So again, you can find out what the rate is, how much it would be. You can incorporate it into a package. Number 4, you could go a step higher. So it could be hot tub rental, private chef, spa trip. So it may be, out of sheer coincidence, that down the road from you is a local spa and they do treatments, etc. You could work out a rate with them, how much it would be for your guests, and you could just create a package around it. Obviously pricing it up so you win at every single step of the way. And what you will start to do is that you can offer these packages on your website, on your emails. When somebody books, you can do upsells. Now, what you're doing here is, number 1, you're giving your guest a fantastic experience. They are able to have something that they never knew was possible and couldn't organize themselves, but are willing to pay for it. And also another win is that you're creating local relationships with businesses. You're creating partnerships and relationships that will work both ways. Because not only then they are going to be up for it because you're going to be bringing them income at a time when they need it the most, but also as well, the power of becoming the local go-to, and we're definitely going to talk about that very soon, is so powerful. I hope that you all realize it. So just as a case in point, say that this chef, this mysterious chef that you're going to create a partnership with, and he creates a package with you, say that he's a freelancer for weddings, and a couple book him in for a wedding, to cater a wedding. And they mention to him off the off-cuff saying, don't suppose you know any accommodation, we've been let down. Because of the relationship that you've created, he goes, you know what, I do. There's a fantastic hospitality owner. Here's their details, blah, blah, blah. And it works so many different ways when you become the local go-to person.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard on the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.